Well, before I start, what I'm here to speak to you today, I'm gonna ask you something. Do you want to change your perspective of life? Or you wanna change the career what you are into? Or you want to make into your life happy or happening? So subscribe our channel and stop subscribing those stupid channels which are not giving you the perspective and it is not giving you what you want into those channels. So today we will discuss about the group discussions. To get into any IIMs, what is very important is to clear those group discussions, and also before any interview starts, you need to clear the round of the group discussion. So let's start. So there are some basic points and there are some basic rules to get into the group discussion, and you need to follow those. So there are some couple of the questions which we will discuss today. What are the most important in the group discussion and how you will actually clear those rounds. So there are some top basic tips which I really want to suggest. So before going into the group discussion, you should read some newspapers like ET, Economic Times, Hindu, or you can also read the Times of India, so that you will get aware about the current affairs, what is going into this world, or what is going into the business. So you can discuss during those GD, and you can also give your points into the interviews. So there is a rich content with the good knowledge is very important. Now, when you are getting the subject about that knowledge, it is a prerequisite which you are preparing for the group discussion. So whenever you are actually starting, you are not aware that how you can start. So first 2 minutes, just wait what others are speaking into and what points they are actually keeping on the table. So those points you can actually rephrase it and you can present in your own way, and you can discuss with the others. So this is very important to notice, and you can also come up with the points which others are speaking. So the moderator will actually get to know that you are a very good listener, as well as you are actually giving a point to others to speak. Now, the other thing is the very good leader actually gives a point and also give an opportunity to others to speak. So you also give an opportunity to others, let them speak first, and then don't make it as a fishing market. Now usually when the moderator announces the GD topic, for a minute there is silence all around because all of them are actually thinking about that topic. So if it is possible, putting your thoughts, let others speak, give them a chance to speak, so that others also will get agree to your opinion, and you will actually give a discussion to that topic. Now it is very important. Third point is be a relevant. Whenever you speak, you should speak to the point and without any ambiguity of thought. So whenever the possible, emphasize your point with facts and figures, because whenever you are reading the newspaper, just make that point as a fact, so that whenever you will actually raising that point, it is full of the facts and you're giving a numbers to the moderator. Now, as I have said, the very important thing is you should good in your communication skills. Read n number of the novels, newspapers, and listen to the others, so that you will actually well versed in your communication skills, as well as if you have a very good vocabulary, just use those words, so that it will be give you you will be actually out of the box, and your English will be very good, so that you can sit with a group of the friends and you can speak and you can communicate with them. Now, the other thing is very important in the group discussion is your body gesture. How you are sitting, how you are putting your points, where you are using those hand gestures. This is very important, and the moderator always focuses you when you are using those gesture and posture. Now, what are the don'ts which we should not do during the group discussion is, don't be aggressive. Whenever you are putting your point, just agree to others, let them speak first. Don't be aggressive, don't make it a chaos during the discussion. Now, it is also expected that the group discussion, whenever you are forming your ideas and thoughts, there's enough to impact on the group. Because there should not be a shouting. You should actually let them speak first. May I make my opinion? Just use those words. Now, don't crisscross on your ideas. Just focus. If you're talking on the positive way, just focus on that way. Don't make it as a negative, because it will give you the persona to others that you are actually confused about your ideas. Now you're mixing both positive and negative. If you want to speak both positive and negative, just tell them that there are two personas, there are two sides of the coin. Just tell them about that. Now the third is don't be a part of that fish market. So to those negative points, don't be a part of the fishy market, and also don't be aggressive during the group discussion. Also, if you want to actually put your point, just come in the GD around 3 to 4 times, so that moderator will get to know that you are actually aware about the topic and you are putting your point. Also, you are giving a chance to others. So these type of the things which moderator always focuses whenever they are whenever they are seeing that you are a good leader, good listener. So these type of the things which is very important to be to be focused during the GD. Now, one more thing which you can actually prepare for the GD is you can make a list of those topics which is getting repeated in every IIMs or in every other GD point of view. Now, like gender inequality, poverty, liberalization, monetization, these type of the topic which are very important, and you can actually write down your points and make those points, so that rehearse those points so that you can discuss during the GD. If you like our video, please subscribe and like our channel and give us a reviews how you want to be more videos like this, and just keep liking and keep subscribing.